Behold, the revolutionary beard designer for men by Conair, for ultimate beard and stubble perfection like no other tool before. Before using for the first time, you'll need to give the beard designer an initial supercharge for 3 hours. The beard designer has 50 precision trimming settings from 0.4mm to 12mm. Then adjusts in 0.2mm steps. You can change the settings by using the electronic adjustment. The beard designer can be used in the shower or simply used dry. Your call. Before using the beard designer, whether you're trimming wet or dry, always backcomb the hair against the grain. You can easily maintain an all-over same length stubble or beard with the beard designer. Starting on one side, work your way across the face and neck using circular motions. Trim the mustache and base of the nose using the one side of the blades. If you're starting with a beard and want to trim it down to stubble, trim down in 3 steps. For example, start at 10mm, then 6mm, and finish at 1mm. The beard designer has a smart self-cleaning function that works wet or dry. For best results, rinse under running water. With the trimmer switched on and under running water, press the cleaning button once and let the trimmer do the rest. You can switch the blades on when self-cleaning. This helps to increase the cleaning efficiency. Once the beard designer has completed its self-cleaning, switch the blades on again and apply a few drops of oil to each of the blades. The beard designer has a smart travel lock that prevents it from being switched on accidentally when traveling. Hold the parking button down for a few seconds until the padlock appears on the LED screen. To unlock, press and hold down the parking button until the LED screen shows a 3 to 1 countdown. Once you're ready to trim again, the beard designer automatically remembers your last trimming setting. Nice! Total beard mastery is finally within reach. Respect the growth, the beard designer for men by Conair.